Yeah, right now, don't know them. I just want to represent the world. And right now, for the end of the Kumbo, I'm going to tell you. I know that Kumbo have one too. I'm not going to meal that day. I'm 2 years and thing ready. Just one. Money and Irish. Kellyan. Right now, we are going to clean up one thing. I don't know where the meat and where the plain thing. Alright, now me I say. Right now me I say. Friend is there. Plain the chicken back. Friend cast there. Right now the ground there, up and 50. Temple of chicken back to 3 man. Casing for the flock is 2 man. Yeah. Right now cap and glass now kitchen. Yo! The first, John was the curry. How is the curry?
Pepper sauce.
Curry we ever use. Curry chicken back in our Sunday. See there? Curry powder. Curry powder. Man, great. Right now we're moving. Yeah, everything with them. So what is down here? Chef wants to say. Right, let us know them. Curry chicken back, curry soup, curry dumpling and curry soup. Alright, let me now play with you now. You don't know what things just right now, then. I show you that. Right now, you don't know everything said. I have everything there, everything prepared, just not done on this word.
Because splendid.
No, splendid not to get big up all the while, but splendid, no man, you don't eat meat, you don't deal with meat. Yeah, alright now, spread capture there, spread over there. Look at them share right now. Yeah, pork on the floor. No, salt, pineapple syrup. Yeah, right now we are really getting yours. Aisle. I'm going to chicken back, pack them, and the aisle, can't come in. Yeah, we live in Jamaica. Yeah. What people know to you? We are poor, you know. Yeah. Right now we are telling them, we are just the gas, you know. Right now we are I'm not to want my
You lucky time.
Right now we are Jamaica, we have no money and things, but we have ambition and we're heading alive. We never talk food and we never fuck back in the very top of the world. So right now, what we are used, we are fry island and thing there. And we separate the meat from it. Tell them to now be listen to me I say. Yeah. Listen to me I say. Me a real get a youth. Me know the struggle. Me know the truth. Me are the real get a youth. Me are the struggle. Me know the truth. Sometimes me kick back on me yard and me wonder. We don't get a look up with a meal. And that's how I'm living. People see me in the streets and I be with a short pants. I don't know how I'm living. Sometimes we have no shirt and our skin. Yeah. We feel so high. You like it? Close in my eyes. We feel so high. We close in my eyes. Oh!
We not do this at Caliente. That's my vice protocol to our party. 9 months hour. 9 months hour. Week. Good. Good spirit. I want to the world. The universe.
El pasar.
Who dance about everybody wants it? Who dance about everybody wants it? Who dance about everybody wants it?
Yo, we don't know what to do.
Now what I mean? Dance up it.
Let's go fly.
Now be a dance.
Let's go fly. No, but I need to show up. Yes, today. Alright, you know, flow takes a long time.
still. Yeah, right now.
Yeah, that's what I said. That's just what represent the building. The people they are cook now take an hour, and then now take half an hour, and then take quarter hour, and then now take a minute. Yeah. But now be that really one. I'm a little fly bro, 1988. 12 of September, hurricane blew at Jamaica. I never was no mother, I never was no father. It's all about ambition. My life is all about industries. I know we have ambition to start them and bad mind. Who are? You don't know. I don't so current, I don't so emotional. So I mean the argument of a talent. I mean the talent question.
Yeah, so them say.
I'm silent, so I'm the best of them, so I'm telling them.
That's how we're living in the kitchen. How is the first one?
Yeah, me have to splendid and spread the glory. I really ought. Yeah, and spread cash. From we are down to the street, we look up on a really ought. And the man then come out to Nambir, to the universe. I then go to the world. I go to a girl. And we come back and rock the world. I may have to walk the grandson. I'm the Chris Stress Squad.
Friday. Universe. I know in that kitchen.
Yo, me have to walk it. Yo, me have to. We go to Friday. We go Wednesday, we go Dembe, we go South, we go Ocean, we go Mandeville, we go Clarendon, we go Portland, we go Antonio. I have to tell you what that about, it's all about Pata. How we respond to Pata, me to Pata and right now there. Up to the world. So if anyone who might be a person, we're going to find Nambir at Jamaica, just come to Pata.